Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Spectrophotometry questions get easy fast when you focus on what changes absorbance, and this one is really about fixing a reading that is too high. According to the Beer-Lambert law, absorbance depends on concentration and path length, so if the reading is too high for accurate measurement, the student must reduce one of those factors. A longer QZ would increase path length and push absorbance even higher. Warming changes conditions without solving the calibration issue, and pouring some out leaves the concentration unchanged. So the smart move is diluting a measured volume with distilled water, because that lowers concentration in a known controlled way and makes option C. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Avoid rushing past the signs. Trust the setup and check which step lowers absorbance in a controlled way.